Hey guys, what is up, my dudes? It's been a while. I'm Katie, aka Fancy Foodie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It has been a little bit, hasn't it? But I'm back and ready for more videos and stuff. So today we're doing something that I thought you guys would really enjoy because I know I get a lot of questions on how I do my skulls. So I thought it'd be fun to just do a rainbow skull and just keep it simple for this one. And yeah, so if you want to see how I do my classic neon UV paint rainbow skulls, then keep watching. But before we jump into it, please give this video a like, please subscribe and turn on your notifications because we are gonna keep going hard with the videos, don't worry. So let's just jump into it. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is take some face paint. Like always, I just like to map how everything is going to be. We're gonna start out with the teeth. So I do use a water-based face paint to draw out all the teeth. And so you kind of just start out big in the middle, start slightly going up at an angle and making them smaller as you go out. And then just make sure you count them and make sure they're even. Then just starting to draw out the cheekbones a little bit. And then I kind of forgot to glue down the brows, so just doing that really quick. Just using some Elmer's glue. It is non-toxic and washable, so not gonna rip out your hairs or anything. Then just sketching out where I want the eye sockets to be. And then finally the nose. Now that we have everything mapped out, I'm just taking some Ben Nye cream paint and filling in everything else white. So I kind of wanted it to be like a white and neon rainbow contrast. And then you gotta powdering it all. You don't want it to be sticky, but I do like to have a base for my neon paints because it makes them pop a little more. And then we're taking some of the Artesia UV paint and I put it on a sponge that you just spray with a little bit of water and just kind of pat it down because these paints are a little difficult to work with if you're using a brush. It's going to be really streaky, so I like to use a sponge and just layer it up. So now we're taking a darker shadow. We're taking a color that's darker than the one that we're placing on top. So right here we're taking a dark pink, and then for the jawbone we're taking a dark green. And just kind of shading everything. You don't want to shade too much on UV paints if you are going to use a black light because then you might kind of cover it up and it won't glow as much, but you know, we still have to do like the skull shading and everything. So just taking like a light orange and just creating a little bit of shadow. So now I am taking a black shadow and just adding a little bit more shading underneath that white part because we do want it to look like the skull is underneath the white thing. And then taking some black paint finally just to give it a little bit more pop. And then taking that black paint and just outlining the teeth, outlining the jawbone. And we gotta fill in the nose, so we're just gonna start filling in all the blank space with black face paint. And then just adding the little details like cracks and stuff just to make it pop a little bit more. I think it looks really cool with that. And then really all you have left to do is to just fill everything in, fill in the eye sockets. I like to do that last because, you know, it is a bit annoying to have paint on your eyelids, but it's all good. And then finally just a black shadow to kind of take down the shine of the black paint. It just helps it look a little more matte. And then can't forget those ears. And then I got lazy, didn't want to use a white wig, so I just painted my hair white. And there you go. So I popped in some white contacts. And for this lighting, I did have a ring light on, but facing away from me so that it wasn't completely dark. And then I had two black lights on the sides, and that's how it looks under black light. So I really hope you guys like it. And if you did like it and you want to see a picture of this, I'm going to have a picture of the normal lighting and then also the black lighting up on my Instagram. And you can go check that out. I also have a video of it already on TikTok as well. And if you did like this video, please give it a like, please subscribe and turn on your notifications, you know, if you want to. You don't have to, but there is going to be a lot of fun videos and stuff. Also, leave me comments of what videos you guys want to see, because I do want to give you guys what you want. So yeah, let me know. And then there's also going to be a giant giveaway coming up. I know I've been promising it for a while, but I'm collecting so much cool stuff for you guys. It's going to be great. So yeah, you don't want to miss out on that. And yeah, I will see you guys next week with another video. So bye.